Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click settings, and now here we'll find personal details. Click on it. Here as you see you will find account settings. You can manage it, can manage your accounts, your account settings, and that's it. That's how to find account settings, and that's how to manage it. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.